I'm Dave McCullough, and we're at the Antique Tractor Plow Days at Parson Farm in Gorham. Just having a wonderful time. Looks like about 25 tractors are here today. So we'll plow acres and acres and acres of land, giving the Parsons a helping hand, and we really appreciate their hospitality. Hope everybody's having a great day.
I'm Bob Parsons, one of the owners here at Parsons Farm in Gorham. We've had the Antique Tractor Plow Days here for 3 years, and looking forward to doing it some more. I like to see the different types of tractors and the different types of plows. It kind of gives you a little perspective on the antique stuff, how different they was from each other.
So in a way, they're preserving history, you think?
Oh yeah, definitely, because you don't see it everywhere.
What you got?
Big rock.